वालेकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम ASI असिस्टेंट सब इंस्पेक्टर कंप्लीट सोल्ड पेपर हेल्ड डाउन जो 8/4/2025 को हुआ था इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। द एंटोनिम ऑफ वाइकारियस इज डायरेक्ट। द एंटोनिम ऑफ ticklish is stable. Idiom wool gathering means dreamy imagination. Idiom under the harrow means anxiety. If you had not dashed me, I would have been in great trouble. Helped. The dispute can easily be settled between you and dash me. The synonym of pristine is original, pure. The synonyms of exonerate is absolve. Who won the FIFA World Cup 2022? Argentina. The Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan was brokered by the World Bank. It is nothing dash his pride else his proposal fill out for dash of sport need. Who coined the name of United Nations? Franklin D. Roosevelt. The most abundant metal in the earth crust is aluminium. The term of OIC Secretary General is 5 years. Tipu Sultan had diplomatic relations with which French king? Napoleon. Adam's Peak is located in which country? Sri Lanka. 1 BTU is equal to dash joules. 1055. Who invented the steam engine? James Watt. If a large number of people suffer from a disease at one place and time, it is known as epidemic. Hemoglobin is blood is a complex protein rich in iron. The unit of frequency is hertz. Cholera is caused by bacteria. Gandhara civilization is in Pakistan. Objectives resolution was passed in 12 March 1949. Identify the Viceroy who made the August offer in 1940. Loud lean light go. The quantity of fresh water present on earth is only about 2.5%. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is spiral. The name of the daughter of Quaid-e-Azam was Dina Wadia. Which city of Punjab is known for handicraft, glaze, pottery and camel skin work? Multan. 1962 election in Pakistan were of which type? Indirect. Aga Khan University was founded in 1983. Delhi Pact was signed between Nehru and Liaquat Ali Khan in 1950. The youngest mountain range on the earth is Himalayas. Shah Abdul Latif wrote his poetry in Sindhi. The world's second highest peak, K2, is located in Karakoram range. The direction of Hindu Kush is from northwest. What is the maximum height of Kirtar range? 2,900 meters. Iblis की Majlis-e-Shura is a poem written by Allama Iqbal. Allama Iqbal joined Muslim League in 1906. What percentage of 720 is 36? 5%. In a dairy farms, 40 cows eat 40 bags of husk in 40 days. In how many days will cow eat 1 bag of husk? 40 days. If the cost of loaf is 5.50, what is the cost of 1/2 loaves of bread? 13.75. A is B sister, C is B mother, D is C father, E is D mother. Then how is A related to D? Granddaughter. Which is the greatest number? 1/3, 741. The Battle of Badr occurred in 2 Hijri. 4 mat weavers can weavers 4 mats in 4 days. At the same rate, how many mats would be woven by 8 mat weavers? 16. Salate Istisqa is offered on the occasion of shortage of rain. The book revealed on Hazrat Dawood alayhi salam was Zabur. 5 men can do work in 50 days. How long will it take 3 men to complete the work? 83 days. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.